Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all onto my channel, guys. I feel way much better. Ngiright manje. Yo, ngconywana kufani. Into umuntu cishe ayiwenta yona ekuseni. But either way, there's something that I came across as I was going through Twitter bafethu. Kanti kwenzakalani bafethu? Honestly speaking, what's going on? Because I am lost. Yazi, kufana namaphoyisa. Most of the time, everything on this video is alleged, by the way. Most of the time, what I've seen is that, yawona makube, okay, first things first, kuhlezi, kumuntu ohlezi go down when it comes to maphoyisa, akubi isigebengu. Kuba ilo zame defend, or we can say it's the victim who was trying to defend themselves from isgebengu. If lesgebengu was to do something to you and ushone uzothola lo 2 days nyana bese bamshaya isandla bese ayaphuma. Whereas if you try to defend yourself against this criminal and then kwenzeke ukuthi wenze something kuye lo muntu and then this person passes away, you are going down and not in history, but you're just going downstairs. Zizokhala. With reference to this whole thing, if you remember, there was a video that okay, not a video, an episode that Tumek G had on his podcast, where he said something along the lines of Guti Mini Dlamini cannot keep a man because of maybe inkomo yakhe ayinuki kahle. You understand? So now, yes, a lot of people had mixed reactions, including me. I was like, yeah, as much as Guti, yes, she might have said a lot of things about you, but I feel like Gogunye, sometimes we just should not, go mean, personally. I feel like Gogunye zingizinto does as fawudlulele kuzo nje ube like, hey, if that person or whatever, if a need arises of you ukuthi ugcina usosho kanjalo ukuthi hayi lawyer to help with that person. So I was also like that and konke lokho, but however now this thing has escalated to a point ukuthi manje even eParliament uMac G usefuneka eParliament. uMac G this, let me read this. Okay, this was posted by UMDN News, and this is what they say. They say that the parliament to summon Mac G after comments on Minnie Dlamini. To our Deputy Minister for Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities, Mapaseka Steve Lesike has strongly condemned podcaster MacGyver, also known as Mac G, Mukwebo for making derogatory remarks about media personality Minnie Dlamini on his podcast and chill show. Okay, this does not stop here. It's just that man, I'm just trying to make sense of lente yenzakalayo and also trying to reference it with what I was saying in terms of amaphoyisa and all of that, because what I'm looking at here, ngifila ngathi already with this first paragraph that was written here, isimo sokuthi la ka deflector la asifocus ey'ntweni ezi-serious, asifocus emacaleni a-serious, but sifocusa kumbhedo. Tiwa, the comments which included speculative claims about Dlamini's past relationships and offensive insinuations regarding her personal hygiene were denounced by Lesike as angilazi le gama. Angilazi, I do not even know how to say this word. But yeah, but a form of online gender-based violence. Okay, so khuluma. In a statement released by the Department of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities, the minister asserted that McGee's remarks infringed upon Dlamini's constitutional right to equality, dignity, and personal security. Such statements are not only degrading but also contributed to the culture of disrespect and abuse against women, she said, stressing the urgent need to tackle online GBV. Mara ngikhona ngisho ukutacklisha i-GBV ya face to face, mara ngifuna ukuba busy ngezinto za online. The Deputy Minister announced that McGee would be summoned to appear before Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities to explain his conduct. Non-compliance could lead to a fine or imprisonment of up to 12 months. Meanwhile, legal experts are reportedly considering laying a charge of crime injuria against the podcast. Okay, someone is trying to call me and I cannot answer the phone right now. But yeah. So, bafethu, I'm just looking at this thing ukuthi lana kahle kahle kufocuswa entweni ezi-useless. I do not want to lie to you. Animeni kancane. Yes, what McGee did, I do feel like it was wrong, but ukuthi sekufanele manje kuze kumoshwe ikhathi zabantu ukuthi kubizwe imihlangano kukhulunywe ngombhedo. Cha lokho nje angisibonanga nje nanesidingo. Nakho manje khona umunye, so a lot of people were posting the same thing talking about ukuthi manje omathoso becada khishwa lapho kuthiwa ubaba lona kade enza amakhathakhatha enihlukula ingane zabantu. Ngapha futhi kuphinde kwakhulunywe ngendaba kubhizwe ngendaba kaCwecwe. Ngapha futhi bafethu kubhizwe futhi nangendaba zaboZanzu kuningi. There are a lot of serious issues that are supposed to be addressed or be focused on, but kubhizi kukhulunywa ngale nto zana kanjani. For me it doesn't make sense. Ukuthi kumele kuze kuyiwe eParliament. Angisiboni nesidingo salokho. Bafethu nina ne-energy for izinto ezi-useless. Nine energy for izinto ezi-useless, but mase kufanele nenze le energy la requirewa khona, mase kufanele nize nayo izosetshenziswa anikhona ukuze niyahluleka. Kokunye nawe ugcina sekwenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi kazobani balala nobani ngempela ukuthi makuzoze kugcine le case izihambe iyofika endaweni eziphezulu. Yazi bafethu na stress asinankinga kodwa ukuthi nina abantu benu abaseyindaweni ezithile and all of that. I did not say ubani olento zana nobani, but into engishoyo ukuthi mina into kodwa engibhora ngathi about this whole thing is just blowing all of this out of proportion. I will not be shocked if a lot of people are trying to get to McGee or trying to ukumdonsela phansi ukumcikela phansi, but unfortunately abakhona ukwenza lokho because with the platform akuyo they do not have power over it. They do not. So manje mazo mina kancane maningaba amacala la ahleze ephelele mu futhi yakusingisha icala. Yes ebe wrong boy, but nimeni kancane. Animeni kancane. Namanye amaphoyisa manje kutholakala ukuthi awasekho aseshila ashonile. Khulunywa zonke lezo zinto. Yaza khulunywa. Nenye indaba engiyibuza ukuthi iyaphela up there labelungu la ababulala abantu besifazana babafida to ingulube. Ziphelela zonke lezo zinto emoyeni. Akwenzeki bebe samondi labantu to elentuzaneni eParliament sibathi samona neniki. Principal simsamona nini. I haven't been following that story, but lawyer I'm sure akayenza into afaka ngabe yayenza. Basamona nini labantu eParliament siyabona ukuthi bayisiwe court. Okay, it's fine. Sesifuna ukuthi beyiswe eParliament ke. Basamona sibayisa nini? Ngifuna into yogcoba umlomo le eGoli. Ayime kancane. I mean